Do you know that sitting is considered to be the new smoking? I mean, this is true. Numerous sources have mentioned it here and here, here, and even down there. So if it's so many times on the first page of Google, then it's true. That's a fact. So just back off. On a serious note, as someone who spends long periods of time sitting at a desk, I can feel the negative effects it has on my own body. Now, I'm not an expert to claim that this is as dangerous or lethal as smoking, but based on my own experience, it really is uncomfortable and sometimes even painful. Therefore, I had two options. Either I spend less time at my desk and engage in more physical activity, or switch to a standing desk. So, here's the Maidesite S2 Pro electric adjustable desk, and this is my review of it. Now, let's start talking about stability. The S2 Pro desk is not just your average Joe desk. With its dual motor system and double beam structure, this desk is as sturdy as they get. No matter how high or low you adjust it, this desk won't wobble like a jelly on a plate. You can even perform a victory dance on it without causing any damage. But for the sake of everyone, just don't perform any dance on it. Weight is also not an issue for the S2 Pro. With a load capacity of up to 100 kilograms, you can pile 3 or 4 monitors, a bunch of books, 3/4 of your mom, and all of your office supplies without worrying about the desk collapsing under the pressure. Another top priority is the safety. It comes equipped with an anti-collision system that would make a superhero jealous. I don't know why I wrote that. If the desk encounters any resistance during high adjustments, the motor will go into superhero mode and drive backward. There again I said superhero. And will drive backwards to protect your precious desk, your adorable pets, and even those mischievous kids of yours. But even so, accidents can happen, especially when you have little ones running around. But not because of the S2 Pro. Because of your kids, of course. But fear not, the S2 Pro has rounded corners, ensuring that your kids, when they will most definitely hit their heads on it, they will not get hurt that bad. And another thing that I like about this desk, and I like it a lot, is the cable management. With the S2 Pro, you can say goodbye to cable chaos. No more tangled wires or frustration when searching for that elusive charging cable. Everything will be neatly stored in the generous frame, leaving you with a clean and clutter-free workspace. Now, let's talk about installation. We all know the pain of spending hours assembling furniture. But fear not, with the S2 Pro, the installation is a breeze. In just probably half an hour, you'll have your desk up and running. I mean, you know, if I manage to do so, then it should be a piece of cake for you. And if you don't like to go through instruction manuals, which I did unfortunately, then there's even an installation video guide to help you go through this process. Unfortunately, in my case, I learned about the video after I was done. So, if you're tired of wobbly desks, messy cables, and furniture that cannot handle the weight of your ambitions, then look no further than the Maidesite S2 Pro. It is stable, safe, stylish, and the ultimate productivity partner. So if you have decided and you think that this desk is the right choice for you, then click on the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep standing and stay productive. And of course, obviously, most importantly, subscribe. Cheers!